Friends, welcome back to the my new video, guys. Today, guys, we are going to talk about guys Bluetooth setting in Oppo phone fan. In this video, guys, I will show you guys how to connect Bluetooth speaker to Oppo phone. Friends, you want to connect your Bluetooth speaker with your phone. So, guys, how can you connect? In this video, guys, I will show you guys. So, before starting video, fans, I want to tell you guys if you're in my channel. So, friends, first of all, guys, subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, like my video, fans. First of all, guys, open your phone setting and guys on your Bluetooth speaker. So I have on already, and as you know speaker, guys, you can see guys this Bluetooth icon. So guys, press on guys your Bluetooth icon also, guys, then it will connect, otherwise not. So we will on guys both of, and guys you can see your Bluetooth setting, and tap here, and guys, first of all, guys, enable your Bluetooth to connect the device. So I refresh it. After refresh, guys, you can see guys your Bluetooth speaker name. So we will click on our Bluetooth speaker name to connect. Then we will tap here. Then it will connect automatic. As you can see, in use for calls and media and payback. So you want to pick up calls, so you can pick up call from here, guys. So I hope friends you have understood how to connect Bluetooth speaker. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching the video, guys. We will meet on next video. Bye bye, friends.